Nag-update nga si Chris Aquino sa kanyang latest update. Sinabi ni Chris Aquino na siya nga ay na-rush papunta sa ospital. Mula sa naging post niya sa kanyang Instagram, Look, Chris Aquino at Dr. Mike Padlan nagkita sa Makati Med nang magkaroon ulit ng check-up si Chris. Narito ang kwento ni Miss Chris Aquino. My paring Ogie had an opinion that Doc Mike found offensive. Since coming home, I only reached out to my kumpare yesterday. He was very gracious and said, Mare, sorry, na-stress ka pa. Dr. Padlan, sorry dahil naging masama ang dating ng komento ko sa'yo. Nakakapanghinayang sa akin unang umamin si Mare na may boyfriend siyang doktor at nasabi niyang you made her feel safe. Para mas mabilis ang paggaling mo na pinagdarasal ng marami, hindi ko na siya pag-uusapan. Sorry talaga, Mare. Hindi mo kailangan ng stress bagong opera ka pa man din. I thought I was still dreaming, unsure about who I saw when Dr. Cricket, my anesthesiologist, was waking me up. But he was there. We didn't get to speak. Thank you, Dr. Mike Padlan. I was told I was sedated when you entered the OR. I am sad that you declined to remain as one of my lead physicians, but I do understand what you meant when you said to let me go. Mahirap talaga kapag magkaibang mundo ang pinanggalingan at nakasanayan. In time, I still hope your anger will lessen and we shall both have peace in our hearts. I'm almost there because I appreciate all I have and everyone who pray for me and make the effort to express their concern and compassion. Finally, I am regaining my appetite at Ani Binay sent me delicious turon and chocolate chip cookies. Dr. Katsi found very good avocados. My nurse make me avocado shakes using Carabao milk from my new friend Jing Jessica Soho is so caring and is a real friend. Weekly she sent me mangoes. I eat a minimum of 3 a day. Chef Jessie for me makes the best and Bistik Tagalog and her pistachio Sans Rival is superb. Amare in Royce Hotel, Clark has the best carbonara. I am now 88 pounds. That's a win because God helps those who help themselves. Yan nga ang ibinanggit ni Chris Aquino na magandang balita na nangyayari sa kanyang buhay pagpapagamot ngayon. At hiling din ni Miss Chris Aquino na sana nga daw ay malas na o mawala na ang galit ni Dr. Padlan doon sa mga naging unang statement ni Chris. But anyway, magandang balita na tumataas na nga ang timbang ni Miss Chris Aquino. Yan ang ating showbiz snap update. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.